Hope you can hear right now. Now only I saw it is mute. So here you can see that this is the end of the designs. Here you can see the shadow. See the shadow of the opposite side, back side. You can see the shadow of the front cross stitch. So the here also it is very beautiful. So when we are avoiding this long threads and all, this is the cut end of the opposite side. So if you are avoiding that, we can use the both side very beautifully. So this is the one side and the two side also. Normally in the satin stitch and all back side it will not be good, but here in the shadow stitch you can see the shadow. This is also known as chickenkari stitch. It is a traditional stitch. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give me like, share, subscribe and support my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.